Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to take you around the places to shop latest fashion, home decor accessories and so much more in Kolkata. These are my top 5 favorite shortlisted shopping destinations. So let's get started. So our first shopping destination is Gariahat Market. This street market is always crowded, highly affordable, but make sure that you bargain. Here you can find jute bags, cute totes. I fell in love with this watermelon printed jute bag. I also saw a lot of handicrafts. They are made in Shantiniketan like this jewelry box, coin purses and also sunglass cases. Also traditional hand embroidered kurtis, purses from Jaipur and Gujarat took my breath away. This pink mirrorwork bag was to die for. Also Navratri is just around the corner, so these jackets can add an Indo-Western touch to any outfit. I also saw some cute neck pieces from jhumkas, cute earrings, mobile covers, sling bags, and also tribal backpacks. You can find everything here at a very affordable rate. For home decors, I saw cute curtains, cushions, a lot of crockeries, and also trendy coffee mugs and a lot of glasswares. I got myself these cute soup bowls. They were priced for just Rs 80 each. You can also find trendy ceramics at a very affordable price and also some beautiful gift items like these frames. So moving on to the next destination, it's BK Market. This is the ultimate shopping paradise for all you fashionistas out there. Most of the items here are from latest trends and these are imported either from Bangkok or Korea. Here you can find a large variety of shoes and clothes. I wouldn't say that this place is highly affordable and cheap, but the prices are reasonable and also make sure that you bargain. As far as clothes were concerned, I found a large variety from skirts to dresses to off-shoulder tops and most of them were trendy, chic and in good condition. I also saw a lot of variety in backpacks, purses and also sling bags. The neck pieces here were really beautiful. I also found some artificial jewelry and in earrings I saw a lot of tassels and pom-poms. So the next destination is AC Market. This place has a lot to offer. From storage option, luggages, home decor, footwear, it has got everything. Again, this place is moderately affordable and the chances of bargain is quite low. So starting from the ground floor, we have Khadi Emporium and also a lot of options for mobile covers and also a lot of purses and backpacks. If you like buying variety of luggages like cute suitcases, then this place is for you. And also I saw a lot of shops selling nightwears at a reasonable price. But what I really loved was this, a Candyland. So basically you can find a lot of shops selling authentic imported candies, chocolates that you cannot really find in the local market. Also there are a lot of shops on the ground floor that sell a lot of cute stuff from bottles to luggage tags and also fidget spinners, travel accessories and makeup organizers. So all in all, this place had a lot to offer. So moving on to the next destination, it's New Market. This is highly affordable and one of the oldest markets of Kolkata. What you cannot find anywhere else, you'll certainly find it here. I saw a lot of footwears, teddy bears, tiaras, cute umbrellas and not to forget fashion accessories. There's a wide variety of jhumkas, trendy earrings, chokers and a lot of beautiful neck pieces. The market had a wide range of bags like sling bags, backpacks and also storage bags. The sunglasses here were trendy and chic and were really affordable. They were priced around 100 to 150. Inside New Market, there's this hog market where you can find traditional Kolkata saris and also salwar suits. When it comes to kitchen essentials, this place is heaven. So basically you can find everything here from glasswares to cute crockeries and also baking tools and a lot of storage options at a wholesale rate. Also, there's a whole lane for party accessories, so if you're throwing a bachelorette party or a birthday party, you can find all the items here. So moving on to the next destination, it's Metro Plaza. This is a shopper's paradise, so here you can find everything from footwear to clothing to kids' clothing, accessories, jewelry, and a lot more. And also, if you are a bride to be, you're going to love this place. You can find churas, artificial bridal jewelry, jhumkas, and also handmade jewelries. For bridal trousseau, there's a large variety of clutch bags that are beautiful as well as elegant. A lot of shops here sell kids' clothing and there's a huge variety of it. If you love trendy, affordable, and comfortable footwear, then this place is for you. The top floor is completely based on wide range of footwear, from sandals to boots. This place has everything. I fell in love with these kolhapuris and also the slip-ons. There was a huge variety of it. And also the ones in trend, the white shoes, I got these for rupees 500 only. I also found a large variety of backpacks, and believe me guys, these are wallets. I also found a huge variety of clothes. The tops were reasonably priced and there were also a lot of party dresses. In accessories, I found a lot of beautiful earrings and also beautiful neck pieces. So that's it guys, I hope you really liked this video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up and also do subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite.